how to use Careem app in Saudi. Now it doesn't matter whether you're in Saudi or Dubai or Malta. The Careem app will actually track your location and let you know if you can use the app in your respective location. If you're from Saudi, open the Careem application. Now you can turn on your location services on your phone first of all, or you can go ahead and then do it manually. Now normally, let's say you're trying to book a ride. It'll ask you to enter our pickup location. Here in the pickup location, this is my current city, but I can change this and select another country over here. So let me just go ahead and then type that in, and I can just type in another country. So from Saudi, whichever region you're from, you can simply select that particular region right here. So you can see different sort of options from UAE, from KSA, from Bahrain, from Pakistan, from Egypt, from Kuwait, and from Morocco, Jordan, Iraq. Just select your location from there, and once you enter your pickup location, choose your destination location. Now in some areas of Saudi also, the Careem app might not be officially available, so you might have to just wait until the coverage is covered in your area as well. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.